Asanteni sana, tafadhali tuketi. The moderator of the 24th General Assembly of the PCA Church, my Lord Bishops, Kanisa letu la Kristo, the families of these young boys lying before us, former Vice President Dr. Kalonzo Musyoka, former Minister Eugene Wamalwa, our Governor Mutahi Kahiga, our PS for Education, the Honorable Senators present, members of Parliament, members of the County Assembly, the people of Muiga, the people of Kieni, the people of Nyeri, and all men and women who have come to pay their last respect to these young souls. Gaine mwega, ahidi shiothe, gaidia shialede mwathani ya gosho rege. Nimefika hapa kwa niaba wa Rais wa Jamhuri ya Kenya, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, ambaye yako ziara kirasmi nchini Amerikani, na kwa niaba ya serikali yetu na wa Kenya kuja kuomboleza kifo cha watoto wetu. It is true the way the former defense minister has said, when this tragedy occurred, I was in Mombasa on official duty. Very early in the morning, I was informed by the governor, and I was going for a funeral to Trans Nzoia in Kitale, and from there I flew directly to here, to Jaribo. Then I drove all the way to Gatarakwa, and I had time to pray for the parents, to sing with the people of that village, and it was a sight that was ghastly. It was a very difficult moment for me kwenda kuona pahali watoto wetu walichomeka. Na kwa hivyo mimi sina maneno mengi, ni kuambia wazazi, may the Lord give you comfort. It is difficult. We cannot pretend to tell you that it is easy. As the moderator said in his sermon, if it were possible, much as none of us welcomes death, but if it were possible, it's much better for parents to be buried by their children as opposed to parents burying their children. These young souls, innocent young boys, our heart cries for them. When you look at them, their innocence, they are no more. So sisi kama serikali, wazazi tunasema pole. Kwa watu ya Nyeri tunasema pole. And Governor, RC and your teams, you people have been wonderful. Ile kazi mmefanya, Mungu atabariki nyinyi. I want to really thank the people of Nyeri for the unity they have shown in the last 3 weeks juu ya hawa watoto wetu. And mimi nasitikika sana. I'm the Minister of Education. As the President directed, do whatever you can on matter safety. Dwanyoba itu tuoka kuga ore twekaga tukana gashibo kugiria sharia maithori tondu niguo Ngai witu endaga tuikare twendanite tuikare tuiguanire tha na muno tukoranagia wendo nigetha tuhata guikara na njira iria yagiriire. Former Vice President, people of the mountain are very good people. They are very trusting. And they are very kind. And they are very loving. They return love with love. they return kindness with kindness. They are very forgiving, but they don't forget. I appeal to everybody to treat the people of the mountain with kindness, because it's the right thing to do. These people who are there, they are there today, they will be there tomorrow. No ithuĩ twarĩ kuo, no ithuĩ twĩ kuo, no ithuĩ tũgakorwo kĩ? Nĩndarĩkia. Nĩndarĩkia. Before I ask moderator to allow me to sing one song with these Christians, ningetaka nisome risala ya rabirabi ya rais wetu William Ruto. Condolence message of His Excellency William Samoei Ruto, President and Commander-in-Chief of the Defense Forces, to the families who lost their young ones in the Hillside Endarasha Academy fire tragedy. We are pained by the loss of young lives in the Hillside Endarasha Academy fire tragedy. Success, Timothy Wamai, Emmanuel Maina, Kelvin, Samvin, Travis, Ferdinand, Kent, Timothy, Weru, John Komu, Lewis Machira, Roy Braddon, Roy Victor, Michael, Lewis Wairagu, John Monga, Collins, Bernard, Robinson, Emmanuel Kiragu, and Anes were hard-working and with a promising future. As investigations continue, we commit to support the families affected by the horrific accident. We also call upon for strict compliance with boarding regulations to prevent the recurrence of such tragedies. Our thoughts and prayers are with the families of the Hillside Endarasha Academy fraternity. May we be comforted by the word of the Lord in the book of Psalm 34, verse 18. The Lord is near to the brokenhearted and saves the crushed in spirit. Rest in peace, poleni sana. Signed, William Samoei Ruto, President of the Republic of Kenya. Modi na brera kuhoera bururi. Muturirikane mahoya-inĩ nĩguo. Eka rwĩmbo tũinaga PCA. Nĩmũkoĩ. Getagwo atĩa? Haya, rũgamai. Jesu we unyendete ikurira hariwe iria bara inene nowe wakuhonokia idhabari neshaku ya kå gä tikwenda thogithi kana ithä mwathiä må ciä nä må kå geithania nä må kå ririkana bamä cina mahoya nä må kå ririkana bå rå ri witå nä må gå tå ririkana na inyuä Ngai amå rathime amwä ke wega mwararamä rie mä haka må rorä magå kumia amå gitä re kuma kwä ndwari mä ciä yanyu yurage irathimo ihiana mbura njega. Asanteni sana.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency, the Deputy President of the